Hello all traders, today is Monday, 3rd of March 2025 and we're going to look at the trades that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 futures and CFDs. If we look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price was fluctuating above the previous day close and high on all E-minis during the Asian and London session. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that after New York market opening, the price started to go down and past this level of daily support and continued to go down and retest this level few times till it dropped significantly. So our plan of action for today was to wait for the volatility to come down, and when the price find the support and the price get rejected and the buyers come back, we take long position in a well-established uptrend. So that's what happened, and around 10:30 when I came back, the price already tested this level and it got rejected and the buyers were pushing the price higher. So this wave of uptrend here was taken. We set up T on Nasdaq and also on Dow Jones and S&P 500, and they were closed on the upper area of the channel. As you see here, the entry and exits on this channel, and all the signals were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts, and you see performance on one of the accounts here that shows it was positive with profit factor of 99, which is infinite and cannot be calculated because we reached 100% win rate from the 5 long positions taken. But we can see that the average winning trades were 314 and the largest winning trade was $450. So that's the summary of the trades I have taken on some of the futures prop firm accounts. And on the small 5K CFD prop firm account, these are the list of trades I have taken today. 10 long positions were taken on DAX, Dow Jones and Nasdaq. And the reason I came back to trade DAX was because it was more trendy today and had a significant gains, and it has less volatility and its trend is smoother and don't have a fast reversal and deep pullbacks. And from all these 10 trades, you see the profit and loss here. We had 2 loss and 1 scratch and the rest was positive. So with the trades taken today, we reached a total balance of $75.22 and a profit factor of 2.19. And with the total trades of 213, we had 172 winners. So our win rate is about 81%, and with this win rate we had 23 consecutive winners resulted in $31 gain, and 3 consecutive losses resulted in $3.75 loss. And this shows the equity curve of the account in the second stage of the challenge, which is recovering with the gain that we had today. And this shows the percentage of active drawdown, which was kept below 0.5%. And that is 10 times less than the 5% daily loss limit imposed by the prop firm in order to pass the second stage of the challenge. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for faster scalping on the futures prop firm accounts and also the small CFD prop firm account is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.